It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Wednesday, the 20th of March. Good afternoon. I'm Michael Groff. Better late than never. We do have a few clouds out there this afternoon. Isolated showers and thunder across parts of central and eastern Arizona still possible this evening. But for the most part, we should stay dry, and a warming trend will take place for the rest of the week and heading toward the weekend. But a potent trough coming through the western states that will result in somewhat cooler temperatures, breezy conditions, and a chance at some rain around here late this weekend and maybe into early next week. Let's talk about it. Here's the almanac from yesterday. 80 degrees the afternoon high, 54 the morning low, right about where we ought to be for this time of year. Those averages at 79 and 55. Checking the upper air weather pattern across the nation, that pesky low pressure area that's been across the region for the last several days, it is beginning to weaken and shift off to the east, opening up into a wave. High pressure is building in behind it. That's going to result in drier and warmer conditions. But that's not the case for everywhere across the country. We've got some winter weather conditions for parts of Montana, the Dakotas, Minnesota. Winter weather advisories up there. Some wind and some snowflakes flying over parts of the Northeast also. Convective outlook for today, the marginal risk of severe storms, level 1 out of 5 from around Corpus Christi over toward Houston, Galveston, and over parts of the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles and western Oklahoma as well. Here in Arizona, we're in the green. A few thunderstorms possible, mainly over the higher terrain north and east of Phoenix, but shouldn't be a problem for us. The precipitation outlook valid through Wednesday afternoon of next week. Rain amounts in Phoenix, not much if we see anything at all. Most of the precipitation confined to the higher terrain of northern and eastern Arizona, and even there, not much with amounts generally under 1/2 inch. All right, let's get to the details of what's going on with our forecast. To do that, we take a look at the models, see what's going on. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 18Z run, and this is valid at 2 o'clock tomorrow. And we've got that area of low pressure moving off into Texas, opening up into a wave. High pressure here building in. So what it means down at the surface, yeah, we'll have mostly sunny sky tomorrow and warmer. High temperatures, low to mid 80s. Should be a pretty nice day, albeit a bit warm. As we move toward Friday, sunny in the morning, partly sunny in the afternoon. High temperatures again, low to mid 80s. Saturday, upper 70s to low 80s. We'll see an increase in clouds becoming mostly cloudy through the day. We've got a trough coming into the western states, so rain and mountain snow for California, the Great Basin, and over the Pacific Northwest. And by Sunday, that trough moves on in here. And it's a rather cold system for this time of year. Broad, cold trough. So we'll turn windy, cooler. High temperatures falling back into the mid and upper 60s for Sunday. And yes, we'll introduce a chance of rain here. Now, this is not going to be a big, robust rain producer. Just some scattered, mainly light showers around. We'll put a 30% chance of rain into the forecast for Sunday. Certainly not a washout by any means, with high temperatures, again, mid to upper 60s. Upper 60s to about 70 on Monday as that system moves on out of here. There might be a shower in the morning and then decreasing clouds for the afternoon, breezy at times. Tuesday, we'll warm it back up a bit, though. High temperatures getting back in the 70s. And, maybe by Wednesday of next week, we could very well be close to 80 once again. Going out to next Thursday, this is the 28th of March, and that trough that moved through here is off over the Plain States. Another one coming into the Pacific Northwest, but we're dry with a westerly flow. High temperatures likely at or just a little bit above average if this works out. And then going out to the end of the forecast period, this is Saturday the 30th, and we've got another trough diving down the west coast, southwesterly flow increasing. Clouds would be increasing, and that could produce another round of precipitation way out there at the very end of the month. Checking out rainfall for Phoenix. This goes out through the 3rd of April. This is off of the GFS ensemble. The mean about 1/4 of an inch. The control member, though, way up there over 3/4 of an inch, interestingly enough. And the European ensemble, same thing. The ensemble mean about 1/4 of an inch, and the European seems to indicate much of that probably to occur with this system on Sunday into early Monday. Temperatures off the national blend of models. You can see we're warm tomorrow, Friday, even Saturday, but then cooling off down into the 60s on Sunday, and then we'll warm it up pretty quickly next week as high pressure does build back in. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning, ? Yeah, probably. And if you enjoy these videos, then be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell, leave those comments, questions, and suggestions. And if you really like what we do here, you want to support us monetarily, click that thanks icon below the video here on YouTube. The executive producer of the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion is my one and only, the sweetest of all time, the Asian sensation and proprietor of sweetchildaz.com.org and the Facebook page of the same name, Sweet Child Arizona, talking about my Michelle. So please do check her out, and all of her relevant links linked up down in the description. And I encourage you to give a listen to our streaming station as well. It is called KMGX. And what do we do there? We play a ton of music and have a lot of fun, so do give that a listen as well. All right, thank you so much for watching, all of your continued support. My apologies for the lateness of the video today, and you guys have yourselves a beautiful rest of your Wednesday afternoon and evening. Oh yeah.